Hello and welcome to बेमतलब की बातें with Arnav and Garima, but mostly Arnav because बेमतलब की बातें are only with me. We can have an alternative title for the show called Rage Bait actually, because that's what you do to me, and I give the rage also. So it's a toxic pattern.
You get baited.
Yeah, and then you get the rage, so then that keeps you excited.
I have no excitement in your rage.
Then why do you rage bait all the time?
Just to
You do it so that you
instigate.
want exactly, and then you laugh after that. It's the most irritating thing in the world.
just why do you get enraged?
I just said it's a toxic pattern.
No, I'm
Must
trying
be
to
done
teach
with.
you to become a
Somebody
more
seen
meditative
this.
human being.
Please save me. Meditative?
Yeah.
Nonsense. That's absolute and utter nonsense. Wait, let me check if the sound is working. और फिर तूने क्या बोला? ये कोल्ड प्लंज बना दो.
क्या deep freezer को?
Yeah. Instead of plugging it in.
कैसे स्पेस कैसे बना ली तूने अपने फोन पे?
Apps delete करी. Reddit, Pinterest, they're the first to go. And then I download them again after that. Then all my heavy media files are deleted. All these. Okay, Arnav, so I've discovered that the sound is working, but the only thing we need to do is speak a little louder.
I don't want to do that.
Since the mic is in the front,
I don't want to do that today.
I'll bring it closer to you then.
And I'm not enunciating, sorry. Dog को तो दिखा दे.
All this comfy, ensconced in her bed.
Scones?
Ensconced.
क्या मतलब वो?
Like,
ये word भी है ऐसी कुछ बोल दिया.
है भाई स्पून की तरह ऐसे तो रैप्ड अप होता है.
What is a scone? What is a scone? How is it?
What do you know when you think of spoon?
Cone. I think of cone.
Like the dessert scone. I think it's actually a type of shellfish. Scone जो होता है वो नहीं होता, वो जो triangular सा जो bone की तरह लगता है.
That makes sense.
उससे लेके फिर I think बना है dessert वाला. I think scones बोलते हैं इसको. Maybe not. I'll figure out later.
Thank
If
you.
it's wrong, then my imagination is overactive.
ChatGPT here to now call out your bluffs that you make.
Bluffs नहीं है ये ना. इसे बोलते हैं पढ़ के सीखना जिंदगी.
तो कहते
ये चीजें किताबें पढ़ के सीखना.
हैं तुक्का मारना.
तू
With
क्या
base
करता
level knowledge, which is actually how
Base level knowledge? What do you mean?
मतलब base level
I have
awareness है.
high level knowledge.
Base level awareness के ऊपर you're guessing ना. कौन सा तुक्का ही तो हुआ.
It's a
Calculated
well
guess.
calculated.
Guess तुक्का मारना.
It's not a guess. It's well understood, research, calculated. Outcome. Mm. Why are you so dead today, Arun? Tell me.
Because you are high on energy.
I am really not. You know that I've been walking around in pain for the last 4 hours because I woke up with a sore shoulder. Because that's apparently how life teaches you that you're growing old. And don't just go to sleep for 7 hours, because when you sleep for 7 hours, you might feel amazing, but your shoulder will hurt because you slept on the same side.
But you sleep for 9 hours every day.
I really don't. I sleep for 9 hours once a week because the rest of the time I'm sleeping 5.5, 6 hours.
5.5, 6.
Yes. I wake up in the morning at 6:30 तो सो रहा होता है उस टाइम पे.
Ambulance में जाने देंगे.
मैंने नहीं रुका. तू नहीं रुका हुआ एक्चुअली.
चुप हो गया वो.
कहाँ चुप हुआ है? सायरन बदला है उसने मेरे लिए ताकि उसको समझ आए.
मेरी तो एम्बुलेंस दिख नहीं रही है. कहाँ है?
पीछे है तेरे कदर.
क्या लिखा हुआ है?
एम्बुलेंस.
नहीं. I think animal ambulance लिखा हुआ है.
Is it?
कुछ और लिखा हुआ है यार मेरे पीछे जो गाड़ी है.
एम्बुलेंस ही लिखा है. ऊपर बड़ा
अच्छा
एम्बुलेंस.
एम्बुलेंस है. तो उसके सामने गाय की बनी हुई है.
वो जनरली आजकल ट्रक पे लिखा होता है, तुमने देखा नहीं है?
काउ प्रोटेक्शन टीम है भाई ये देख. ये देख काउ सुरक्षा दल दिल्ली. इसको इसके पास क्यों है एम्बुलेंस? अभी इसके पास क्यों है सायरन?
एम्बुलेंस आई गेस के पास होता है. Interesting. I thought it was जैसे आजकल तो देखा तूने buses और बहुत सारे ऐसे commercial vehicles पे लिखा होता है पशु पर दया करो. Several attempts have been taken to shoot this video and several attempts have been squashed by my phone showing memory issues and temperature issues. So I'm going to just keep moving it around because clearly putting it in the sun like this is just making it heat up. Also took my cover off. Still recording. 18 seconds in. Let's go. Quickly give. बेमतलब की बातें.
What even give?
Give ना. जल्दी बोल भाई. आज क्या करना है तुम्हें? काम पे. हेयरकट करेगा काम पे. क्या है काम? क्या कर रहे हैं आज? बता दो.
काम करो भाई.
तंग कर रहा है फिर मैं.
रेज बेट.
Just
राज बेट.
what nonsense will you tell me? Caught you. I caught you in a normal mood. I caught you. Fucking acting. When the camera gets switched on.
No,
Yes.
I told you I'm low energy.
Yes, this is what I mean when I say rage bait.
Raj bait.
Who's doing rage bait? Is it a political term?
Raj.
Could be. It's like baiting the, you know.
और थोड़ी मेरी शक्ल पे डाल दे. इतना. हाँ ये सही है. ऐसे ही बात करेंगे हम.
ठीक है.
और तू बंद कर. इतना क्यों दूर छोड़ रही है? हाँ सामने ही रख लिए. गाड़ी कैसे चलाए? What a beautiful road. Look at it.
And then, yeah, I love this road.
Next
Love this road. This is my favorite part of the drive to office. The Sunset Boulevard.
and the kuda. Look at it.
Don't look at the kuda, man. Just look at this. Hide the kuda. Look at the road. You know, the Sunset Boulevard is the road that connects Delhi to Gurugram in a scenic, smooth road through the middle of the Aravallis.
That's stupid.
You know, the divide between historic city and
Millennium City.
whatever, yeah, Millennium City, Huda City, the audacity.
Audacity.
Audacity. So anyway, yeah,
Don't think.
we're about to reach. आज तो ट्रैफिक था ही नहीं. हम पहुंच जाएंगे 30 मिनट में. Just forcing myself to enter content creator mode again. So please suffer through the cringe.
This is high.
because
This video if you upload is high.
I will upload it because for anything in life you have to first do all the shitty stupid things you're doing so that then you can go ahead. साइड पे आए हैं और वो हाय बोल रहे हैं कैमरा देख के. मुझे लग रहा है और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि मैं अब मुड़ के हाय बोल दूँ या ना बोलूँ. अच्छा व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट? ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना. चलेगा. At least in the reflection. I was feeling awkward because I was like मैं बोल रही हूँ कैमरा में साइड में, तो मुझे आगे बोल रहा है. मैं ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगा अगर कैमरा टर्न करके हाय बोलने लगे. Anyway, suffer through the cringe. Suffer through the cringe because I have to become organic content scaler, creator because Arnav's giving me shit about तेरी marketing को चल नहीं रही.
ये कब भी बोला मैंने?
रोज बोलता है मुझे रोज चुभता है मेरे दिल में जब तू मुझे आइडियाज देने की कोशिश करता है कि we can do this for content and I'm like that's my job, right?
I am pretty good at coming up with content ideas.
I'm talking about the execution. Idea तो मेरे को भी 10 है. Execution करने के लिए you have to go into.
You don't own marketing.
तो अब हम आ गए हैं ऑफिस. This is just a way to put out there into the universe that I have to make more content now. This is going to be the shittiest of it all. Enjoy.
एंजॉय
Thank you.